Hi friends, welcome to the Quiz King. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd number and letters within given time? There are 3 levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Come on viewers, are you focus master? Find 94 within given time. Wow, brilliant and good start. Hey viewers, nobody can find XU within 15 seconds. Come on viewers, you found it. Time is over. Hey viewers, find the odd apple within 15 seconds. Wow, amazing! Come on genius, test your visual skills. Find 45 within 15 seconds. Hey viewers, you are genius. Come on, you found it. Time is up. Yes, my viewer is very genius. Quick eyes test. Find 23 within given time. Hey viewers, in this question is very hard, but my viewers is very genius. Come on genius, time is up. Check your brain. Find S9 within time. Come on viewers, time is up. Test your eagle eyes. Find the odd air within given time. Wow, excellent work. Hey viewers, are you genius? Find 79 within given time. Time is up. Challenge your eyes. Find C6 within given time. Hey legend, time is up. Check your observation skills. Find RA within given time. Wow, that's great! Test your visual skills. Find MH within given time. viewers, this is a very hard question. Come on viewers, time is up. Identify the odd number 91 within 15 seconds. Wow! Amazing! Come on viewers, next medium level start. Hey, can you find 520 within given time? Time is over. Hey viewers, spot the odd letter CUV within time. You are confused? Come on, time is up. Find the odd one out within 15 seconds. Come on, viewers. Where are my emoji lovers? Come on, you found it. Time is up. Hey viewers, nobody can find 328 within given time. Wow, that's great! Test your brain. Find D90 within given time. Come on, my genius viewers, time is over. Quiz lover can find 186 within given time. Hey quiz lovers, come on, you found it. Time is up. Spot the odd emoji within time. Wow, good job! First, your eagle eyes find PYH within given time. Come on, viewers, time is up. Boost your IQ level. Find Z13 within time. Wow, your IQ level is perfect. Medium level done, and next hard level start. Hey viewers, quick eyes test. Find the odd one out within given time. Wow, that's great! Check your eyes, find the odd letter within given time. Wow, your eye level is perfect! Come on, genius, find the odd glass within 15 seconds. You found it? Jolly your brain, find the odd number within given time. Hey, come fast, weavers! Time is up! First, your eyes find the odd hand within given time. Wow, your eagle eyes. viewers, anybody can find the odd one out within 15 seconds? Wow, amazing! Come on viewers, only one person can find the odd number within given time. Hey viewers, my last question and very hard question. Come on viewers, time is up. Wow, you found it? Please like and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share your score in the comment box.